How much should you actually spend on a dual basket air fryer? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, while others return the expensive options. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Ninja Foodi DZ302. The Ninja Foodi air fryer caught my eye with its massive 10-quart capacity and sleek black design, priced at $229.99. If you want to streamline family meals and cook different dishes at once, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. With its 2 independent baskets, you can air fry a main and a side simultaneously, eliminating the hassle of back-to-back cooking. The Smart Finish feature means you can cook 2 foods in 2 ways, but finish at the same time, perfect for busy weeknights. It also has 6 cooking functions, including roast and dehydrate, making it versatile enough for any meal. Plus, the 75% less oil means healthier meals for your family. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you have a larger family or love to entertain, the cooking capacity more than makes up for it. It's not a deal breaker if you have the counter space. This is perfect for you if you're looking to simplify meal prep for large families. Skip this one if you have a compact kitchen with limited space. For the price, you're getting a kitchen workhorse that can handle multiple meals at once.
Product number 2, Ninja DZ401. The Ninja DZ401 Foodi, available for $179.99. Its dual-zone technology and independent baskets really caught my attention. If you want to whip up meals quickly, this one deserves a closer look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The DZ401 allows you to cook 2 foods at once, with options to match cooking settings for larger meals. So if you want to roast a chicken while baking some veggies, you can. It also offers 6 cooking functions, and its non-toxic surfaces make cleanup a breeze. With 30% faster cooking than a traditional oven, you can get a whole meal ready in no time. Now, some users mention that the cooking time can be a bit longer than expected for some dishes, but honestly, it still outperforms most single basket fryers and is a lifesaver when you need to feed the family fast. This is perfect for those who want a quick and efficient cooking solution for weeknight dinners. Skip this if you prefer a more compact air fryer. For its capabilities, it's pretty well priced. Product number 3, Chefman Turbo Fry. The Chefman Turbo Fry Touch is up next, priced at $99.99. I love the sleek design and one-touch controls, making it super user-friendly. If you're on a budget but still want 2 baskets, this is definitely worth checking out. Here's the deal with this fryer. It can handle a total of 9 quarts, which is great for families. The Sync Finish feature ensures both baskets finish cooking at the same time, a huge plus when you want everything hot and ready. Plus, you'll appreciate the shake reminder that helps achieve that perfect crisp without overcooking. It's efficient, allowing you to make meals healthier with little to no oil. However, some users found the cooking capacity smaller than expected when preparing larger meals. But I'll be real with you. For smaller families or quick snacks, this fryer hits the mark without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and efficient air fryer for everyday meals. Skip this if you're cooking for larger gatherings often, but for the price, it's a steal. Product number 4, Ninja SL401. We have the Ninja Air Fryer SL401, retailing at $209.95. Its compact double-stack design was an immediate attention grabber for me. If you're trying to save space while cooking a lot, this could be your go-to. So, why does this air fryer stand out? The double-stack technology allows you to cook 4 different foods at once while saving counter space. It also has the Smart Finish feature, which ensures your meals finish cooking simultaneously, making dinner prep seamless. With a total capacity of 10 quarts, it can handle a whole roast chicken, feeding up to 8 people easily. But some users noted that the size might be a concern if you're looking for a traditional layout. However, if you can adapt to the stack design, it really makes cooking for a crowd manageable. This is perfect for families who need to maximize space and efficiency in the kitchen. Skip this if you prefer traditional designs without the stacking feature. For its functionality, it's a great investment. Product number 5, Chefman Dual Air Fryer Oven, priced at $119.97. It's got a sleek look and promises to deliver crispy meals quickly. If you're after an affordable option that doesn't skimp on features, this might be the one for you. So, what makes this air fryer appealing? With its 2 4.5-quart baskets, you can cook multiple types of food simultaneously, which is a lifesaver for busy families. It reaches a max temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit for that extra crunch, and the sync technology ensures both baskets finish at the same time. The easy-to-clean design means you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. However, some users found the maximum temperature capability a bit excessive for everyday cooking. But hey, if you're looking for that extra crisp, it's a feature you'll appreciate. This is perfect for busy families wanting a reliable and efficient air fryer at a good price. Skip this if you're not a fan of the higher temperature settings. For what you get, it's a solid value. We explored 5 great dual basket air fryers: the Ninja Foodi DZ302, Ninja DZ401, Chefman Turbo Fry, Ninja SL401, and Chefman Dual Air Fryer Oven. Each has its strengths, from capacity to cooking speed, so there's definitely an option for every busy family out there. Choose the one that fits your kitchen and lifestyle best.